So we're going to look at our last example involving mean value theorem. And so here we're given that two stationary patrol cars are equipped with radar and they're 5 miles apart on a highway. And a truck passes by the first patrol car. Its speed is clocked at 55 miles per hour. Then 4 minutes later, when the truck passes the second patrol car, its speed is clocked at 50 miles per hour. Prove that the truck must have exceeded the speed limit of 55 miles per hour at some point during the 4 minutes. So some point between these two patrol cars, the truck was speeding, but then slowed down before it got to the second patrol car. So we're working with time here. I'm going to call t equals 0 be the time, and I'm going to work in hours when the truck passes the first patrol car. So I'm starting our time exactly when the truck passed the first patrol car. Well, when does it pass the second patrol car? It says 4 minutes later, but I've got to convert that into hours. So the truck passes the second patrol car at, what would my value of t be? Well, it's 4 minutes out of 60 minutes total in an hour, so it's 1/15 of an hour. And we're going to use the equation s of t to represent the distance traveled by the truck. So at 0, at time equals 0, that's when it starts passing the first patrol car. Its distance is 0, but by the time it passes the second patrol car, it's gone 5 miles because the two cars were 5 miles apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the average velocity here over this interval. So if I take s of 1/15 minus s of 0, 1/15 minus 0, well, this is 5 minus 0 over 1/15 minus 0, just 1/15 we'll say. So this simplifies down to 75 miles per hour. So the average speed of the truck over that interval is 75 miles per hour. Now I think it's fair to assume that our position function is differentiable. And so what does mean value theorem tell us here? By the mean value theorem, at some point during the 4 minutes that passed, the truck was traveling 75 miles per hour. So at some point, the truck was definitely speeding, because remember our speed limit was 55 miles per hour. At some point during that 4 minute time frame, that truck went 75 miles per hour, went 20 miles per hour over the speed limit. And so the cops can definitely pull this person over, at least mathematically, and say that they were speeding.